Next, di skill 22, listen for answer in order. Jadi di skill ini kita akan mendengarkan percakapan yang panjang, lalu pertanyaan-pertanyaannya akan ditanyakan di akhir. Jadi kita harus menyimak terlebih dahulu percakapannya dan menyiapkan beberapa informasi untuk menjawab soal-soal ini. Nah, ini tuh nanti akan ada percakapan untuk nomor 1 sampai 5. So, kita langsung saja ke TOEFL exercise 22. Listen to each complete conversation and answer the questions that follow.
TOEFL exercise 22. Listen to each complete conversation and answer the questions that follow. Conversation 1. Questions 1 through 5. Listen to the following conversation about a part-time job.
I'm looking for a part-time job on campus.
Then you've come to the right place. The campus employment office is here just to help students like you find jobs on campus.
I'm glad to hear that, because I really need to start earning some money.
Let me ask you some questions to help determine what kind of job would be best. First of all, how many hours a week do you want to work?
I need to work at least 10 hours a week, and I don't think I can handle more than 20 hours with all the courses I'm taking.
And when are you free to work?
All of my classes are in the morning, so I can work every weekday from noon on. And of course, I wouldn't mind working on the weekends.
I'll try to match you up with one of our on-campus student jobs. Please fill out this form with some additional information about your skills, and leave the form with me today. Then you can call me back tomorrow and maybe I'll have some news for you.
Thanks for your help.
Number 1. What does the man want to do?
Oke, pertanyaan nomor 1. What does the man want to do? Di percakapan tersebut, si pria mencari kerja kan di kampus. So, the answer is for number 1 is find work on campus. A. Question number 2.
Number 2. Where does the conversation probably take place?
Okay, number 2. Where does the conversation probably take place? Di mana conversation itu kemungkinan terjadi. Nah, si pria kan ingin mencari pekerjaan di kampus, otomatis ya tempatnya di kampus lah. So, the answer for the question number 2 is in a campus office. Pilihan cek. Nomor 3.
Number 3. How many hours of work does the man want per week?
Okay, how many hours of work does the man want per week? Jadi dari percakapan tadi, kata si wanita itu ada bertanya, like, let me ask you some question to help determine what kind of job. First of all, how many hours a week do you want to work? So the man answer, I need to work at least 10 hours a week and I don't think I can handle more than 20 hours with all the course I'm taking. So, jadi si pria ini setidaknya 10 jam dalam seminggu. Tetapi saya pun tidak saya juga kalau lebih dari 20 jam itu pun seperti tidak tahu apakah akan terhandle atau tidak. Jadi jawaban yang benar adalah not more than 20. So jadi lebih dari 10 jam bisa, tetapi lebih dari 20 jam itu tidak bisa, kemungkinan tidak bisa. So, question number 4.
Number 4. When can the man work?
When can the man work? Kapan saja si pria itu bisa bekerja? Kalau tadi berapa jam si pria itu bisa bekerja? Kalau sekarang kapan saja si pria itu bisa bekerja? Apakah di weekdays atau weekends atau beberapa hari atau di beberapa pagi, siang, malam, atau sore. Nah, kata si pria tadi ada menjawab, all of my classes are in the morning. Dia kelasnya di pagi semua, so I can work every weekday from noon on. Jadi saya bisa bekerja di hari biasa di sore hari, and of course I wouldn't mind working on the weekends. Dan dia juga tidak keberatan kalau bekerja saat hari libur. So the answer for the question when can the man work is B, afternoons and weekends. Jadi si pria itu bisa bekerja di sore hari dan di weekends, hari libur. Okay, question number 5.
Number 5. What does the woman tell the man to do tomorrow?
Okay, what does the woman tell the man to do tomorrow? Apa yang wanita itu suruh kepada si pria itu di keesokan harinya? So, tadi kan si wanita sudah menyimak ya apa saja yang ia butuhkan informasi dari si pria itu. Lalu si wanita ada bilang bahwa then you can call me back tomorrow and maybe I'll have some news for you. Jadi si wanita ini menyuruh telepon si wanita itu di hari esok. So the answer for the question what does the woman tell the man to do tomorrow is phone her, telepon dia. Jadi jawabannya adalah pada pilihan D. Oke, selanjutnya teman-teman kita akan mereview dari TOEFL Exercise Skills 18 sampai 22. Nah, tetapi saya akan membahas dan menjawab pertanyaan atau satu percakapan untuk 4 pertanyaan dari nomor 1 sampai 4. Jadi kita harus mendengarkan full dulu percakapannya, lalu kita bisa sebelum menjawab kita harus menyimpan beberapa informasi terdahulu. Jadi kita harus menyimak audionya dengan baik, jadi kita bisa langsung menjawab 4 pertanyaan ini ya. Oke, kita mulai.
Questions 1 through 4. Listen to a man asking a woman for directions.
Can you tell me how to get to the music building from here? I have a lecture to attend there.
Oh, are you new to campus?
Yes, I just got here last night.
Well, to get to the music building, you have 2 choices. If you want to go right now, you can walk straight down the street until you're past the commons, and then turn right. The music building will be straight ahead.
How long will it take to get there?
About 20 minutes.
What's my other choice?
If you don't mind waiting around for a while, you can take the shuttle bus. The bus only takes about 5 minutes to get there.
But I have to wait for the bus?
That's right.
Well, I guess I might as well walk.
Number 1. Where does the man want to go?
Oke, kita sudah mendengarkan percakapannya. Sekarang kita harus jawab pertanyaannya. Nomor 1. Where does the man want to go? Kata si pria, can you tell me how to get to the music building from here? I have a lecture to attend there. So, where does the man want to go? Is to a lecture. I have a lecture to attend there. Number 2.
Number 2. How many different routes to the music building does the woman suggest?
Okay, how many different routes to the music building does the woman suggest? Wanita tadi itu menyarankan ada 2 rute. Yang pertama adalah jalan kaki dan yang kedua adalah menaiki bus. So the answer is 2. 2 different routes to the music building. Okay. Number 3.
Number 3. What is the problem with taking the shuttle bus?
Okay, what is the problem with taking the shuttle bus? Kalau jalan kaki, si pria itu bisa melakukan saat itu juga. Jadi tidak harus menunggu untuk beberapa saat. Tapi, kata si wanita, kalau memakai bus, kamu harus menunggu sampai bus itu mendatangi halte. Jadi, dia harus menunggu. So, the answer for the question number 3 is D. The bus will not arrive for a while. Jadi, busnya tidak stay di halte dan berangkat kapan saja, tetapi si pria itu harus menunggu bus itu datang di halte. So, question number 4.
Number 4. What does the man finally decide to do?
What does the man finally decide to do? Nah, kan si wanita sudah memberikan 2 saran ya. Lalu di akhir percakapan si pria mempertimbangkan bagaimana ya baiknya si pria itu pergi to a lecture dengan cepat gitu. So, kata si pria, well, I guess I might as well walk. Dia jadi memilih untuk berjalan kaki. So, the answer for the question number 4 is walk.